Want to clean up a photo you took on your iPhone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove people or objects from photos on iPhone. Now let's get started. To use the Photo Cleanup tool on iPhone, you'll need to have your iPhone updated to iOS 18 or newer and have a device that supports Apple Intelligence, which includes iPhone 15 Pro and newer devices. To clean up a photo on your iPhone, open the Photos app and find the photo you'd like to edit. Tap the Edit icon in the bottom menu. Then select Clean Up. Now tap, brush, or circle the object or person you want to remove from your photo. Zoom in as needed to make it easier to select the item you want to remove. Apple Intelligence will then analyze your selection and attempt to remove it from your image and blend in the background. If you aren't happy with the result, you can tap Undo at the top left corner and try again. If you need to remove additional objects, repeat the step to tap, brush, or circle whatever you'd like to remove, and wait for the AI to work its magic. When you're finished editing, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. That's all it takes to remove people or objects from photos on your iPhone. Want to do more photo editing on your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.